How to use or buy from Alibaba. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'll guide you on how you can use and buy products from Alibaba app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use or buy products from the Alibaba app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open the Alibaba application here. Once you open the Alibaba app, I'm pretty sure you've already created your account and signed in as well. Now once you're signed in, you just need to search for the products that you want to buy. So in this case, you can just select a specific product here. Once you select a product that you want to buy, just go to the categories and then just select a specific bag that you want to buy, and then just select the amount of bag, and then just select a specific color. Just select this option called send inquiry or whatever else you prefer, and then you should be able to go and successfully buy that product as well. Otherwise, you can just come back and then make sure to come to your cart section and add the products that you want to buy to your cart here. So let me just come back and just select add to cart option, and then just select the variations here. Once I select the variations, I'll be able to successfully tap on this add to cart option here, and then I'll be able to successfully add them to my cart. Once I've added them to my cart, what I can do is I can just come back to my cart page, check out, enter the delivery details, and then I should be able to successfully go ahead and then buy those specific products. This way you can order from Alibaba and use Alibaba. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.